Hello, viewers. I'm Divyanshu.
And I'm Astha.
We are the Last Row Society, and today we are at Changos for our first episode of the Last Row Verdict, where we will be discussing Spider Man Brand New Day, Avengers Doomsday, and Ramayan.
So let's get started with some soju shots and let's begin our hot take on these three items.
Cheers.
Cheers to hot takes. So, Divyanshu, you're
Yep.
very excited for this movie. What is your take on that?
मजा आया.
और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ
I mean, it's not my fave of all the Spider Man movies, but still, it is entertaining. The fight scenes are actually great. The fight choreography is great. Watch it in 3D if you get a premium format because the 3D was amazing. 3D का काम सिर्फ ये नहीं होता है कि आपके चेहरे पे से फिक के चीजें आए. Actually, it's about creating depth, and the depth in the 3D made the movie very good. But तुम बताओ, तुम्हें कैसी लगी?
My experience. Okay. I'll just start with that. Yeah, 3D was great, but I booked my tickets for 4D.
We.
We booked for 4D IMAX. Even my brother was there. And we were very excited because we booked for the first day, first show, and the 4DX didn't work. It just didn't work. First, what do you call that? That angle was effed, and then we had to like.
So the screen, the content, the trailers that were playing were tilted. So I went out and I told the manager कि भाई आपका तो वही tilted है. And then the movie started, and then
And then I was like, oh, when is the motion gonna start? When is the sensors gonna work? And it didn't. So my 15-20 minutes just went fighting with PVR management and calling the help desk, and nobody helped. So I'm telling you, it's a
It was-
scam.
it was-
It's a scam. And
it's like we got scammed. Yeah.
yeah, and they didn't even give us the refund or like they were not considerate enough, and they were not even ready to accept their mistake that they forgot to calibrate it. But it
Yeah, so I went and I asked the manager कि सुबह सुबह का पहला शो है. सही में आपके पास फाइल आई नहीं है कि आपने कैलिब्रेट नहीं किया है. And I'm pretty sure someone in India, as everybody is very lazy, someone didn't calibrate it.
it is what it is.
चलो आस्था. So इतना hot take on PVR and 4D अगर हो गया है, so let's start the discussion with the hot take about the movie.
Yeah, why not? So, Devanshu, tell me what's your hot take on the Spider-Man movie? Or wait, should it be LR's hot take?
Yeah, LRS hot take, our hot take, LRS hot take. So my hot take on the movie is that the movie is good, but it's not perfect or like it's not great. It's good. It is entertaining. But the thing is, action sequences are great, acting performances are great, but वो एक बीच में there are these lump moments. The momentum जो action scenes create करते हैं, वो there are some moments, there are some melodramatic moments. थोड़ी movie emo हो जाती है and वो पूरा tempo कम कर देती है.
Yeah.
So and also the end may be like it's not a very dramatic fight with an antagonist in the end. तो थोड़ा सा sour taste ले आता है. So that's my hot take on the movie. कि it's good, but it's not great. It's not the best Spider-Man movie out there.
I agree.
What about you? What's your hot take?
My hot take would be since I have not watched that so much of X-Men movies
Yeah.
there. So when I saw Sadie doing the
Playing Jingare.
yeah. So basically for me it was like I'm watching Stranger Things. It's just that Max or maybe 11 has been replaced by Max because the way she was controlling the mind and she was getting into the head of everyone, getting the emotions out, and at the end,
What?
spoiler alert, she gets into Spider-Man's head and things get
That's exactly what happens in Stranger Things, bro.
exactly. So it felt like I'm watching a Stranger Things movie with a touch of Spider-Man.
I'm the biggest Stranger Things fan out there. She is also a very big Stranger Things fan, but it is so true. So जो भी 11 basically करती है सारे Stranger Things के season में, that is kind of the climax of this movie.
Yeah. And since I am biased towards Max as character, so I like that movie. I'm gonna give my biased opinion.
अरे यार, अब तो तुमने मेरे लिए मूवी थोड़ी और लाइक वो एंडिंग थोड़ी डेरिवेटिव कर दी यार।
Yeah.
Fuck. बट कोई नहीं, बट स्टिल लाइक देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट इन द मूवी। इट्स नॉट लाइक ये मूवी में एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं है। लाइक देयर इज़ दिस फाइट and that is the highlight of the movie, and it comes right in the midpoint where it's Hulk versus Spider-Man and the Punisher, and वो scene इतना बेहतरीन है, the way it's shot, the 3D in it, the the placement of the camera, it is so good. The choreography is amazing in that scene, and it's like that is the peak of the movie, which comes right in the midpoint, and that is the peak action sequence of the movie. And also, like, I know you haven't played the Spider-Man games. What this movie does really well, कि जो Spider-Man games का essence था ना action का, how Spider-Man fights, they have taken that in this movie, and that's why the action choreography is amazing.
Yeah.
It is amazing. Like there are literally moves जो Spider-Man के games में होते हैं, वो इस movie में he does. So amazing. That is very good in the movie.
Now I think I'm intrigued to play the Spider-Man games.
You would love it.
Uh,
Because you loved the swinging that he does in the movie, you will love the game.
so about the acting, I would highlight that I love Zendaya's acting.
He's too good.
Yeah, do you remember that terrace scene where she goes and
So yeah, again, again minor spoilers. So there's a scene when Spider-Man and Zendaya's character they're on terrace, and there's a shift in her character. We won't reveal what. And you were saying that
yeah, at one point I got convinced. I was like, oh, I'm with like what do you call it? I am with. I felt so nice with Spider-Man, and then in a moment I was like taken aback. Oh fuck, what happened? So I could feel what's
you.
that.
So yeah, we are not revealing what that scene is, but what she's saying is there is a change in the way she's acting and the character, and you suddenly get like ये actually यही character कर रहा है. So again, Zendaya is too good. I think,
All the actors.
bro,
Punisher.
John Berthol, my man. Like, okay, hot take on him. He actually acts the same in every movie, but भाई उसका screen presence. I think he also has the scene of the movie where वो बस gun लेके he's shooting the fuck out of Hulk with a machine gun, and you can see कि he's charging himself up. But वो डरा भी हुआ है पर वो गोली पे गोली मार भी रहा है.
I agree. Everybody did excellent in that.
Do you like John Berthol?
I loved him. I loved him even in Odyssey.
Yeah, he's very good in Odyssey. छोटा role है but वो he is a very good actor, and he has that swag भाई कि वो बंदा रूम में होगा तो इंसान डरेगा उससे.
I agree.
And even Tom Holland is great. CD Sync is great. So वही हम लोग कह रहे हैं, performances, action sequences, everything is great, but special effects obviously great, but वो बीच-बीच में इतने लल मोमेंट्स हैं, एंड आल्सो देखो थोड़ा सा स्क्रिप्ट थोड़ी सी स्टोरी इज सिमिलर टू स्पाइडरमैन 2. यू नो उसमें भी उसको पावर्स का उसका अप डाउन चल रहा होता है, इसमें भी अप डाउन चल रहा है. तो देखो थोड़ा बहुत तो ये स्टोरी लाइन हम लोग इन अ वे देख चुके हैं, बट स्टिल परफॉर्मेंसेस, एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस, एवरीथिंग इज ग्रेट इन द मूवी. Like you will have fun. It's not like you will not have fun. You will have fun. It's amazing, and you should see it.
Okay, Devanshu, first thing, before jumping into something else, I have few rage bait questions for you. Not rage bait questions, but I do have few Spider-Man related questions for you. Yeah? So, let's start with if imagine a Spider-Man in India. So, what do you think the name would be? I got inspired by Spider-Verse, and that's hence I'm asking.
Pavitra Prabhakar.
Yeah. But
You know who voiced Pavitra Prabhakar in the Hindi version of Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse?
no,
Shubman Gill. He dubbed for him.
I love him already. Okay, anyway, coming back to the question. If imagine Spider-Man in India, first come up with the name and second
First of all, I cannot imagine. I cannot imagine Spider-Man in India because अबे वो लटके किससे वहां देखो अमेरिका में बड़ी बिल्डिंग है. अरे बॉम्बे में क्या वो लैंड करेगा गड्ढे में गिर जाएगा जगह. इतने ओपन वायर्स होते हैं, इतने ओपन वायर के खंबे होते हैं,
that's fine.
एक बार लटकेगा वहीं पे इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक से मर जाएगा.
you
Spider-Man cannot exist in India.
I defy
There's only one superhero that can exist in India, and that's Batman.
because you're biased towards him.
आई एम नॉट बायस्ड ब्रो, बैटमैन कैन एग्जिस्ट क्योंकि देखो उसके पास इसका देखो गाड़ी है, एसयूवी गाड़ी है, तो वो एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है। उसका बाइक है, वो एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है।
Okay, so which city in particular
बैटमैन किस पर
will save?
ब्रो, जैसी हमारी कंट्री की हालत चल रही है, हर शहर में एक बैटमैन चाहिए। बट आई थिंक बॉम्बे, बट यू नो ब्रूस वेन इज वेरी इन्फ्लुएंशियल। He's got great connects. So actually, it's either Bombay or it's either Delhi.
Okay.
Delhi, Gurgaon, like he can
Why not Lucknow?
Lucknow.
Gutka? See,
Bro, imagine Bruce Wayne, Batman of Lucknow. तो उसका काम क्या होगा? गुटखा टोबैको होगा, ठीक है?
oh, like he will be driving his fanciest car and somebody will come and like, thoo.
उसी के ब्रांड का गुटखा उसी की गाड़ी में ठोक देंगे। बढ़िया। तो यूपी का ब्रूस वेन विल बी कंपनी गुटखा बनाती होगी, सिगरेट बेचती होगी, टोबैको बिजनेस में, और उसी के ठेके होंगे, उसी से वो अपना बिजनेस रन करता होगा। अमीन 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 अमीन। हाँ।
Okay, so if everybody was talking about that Spider-Man reminds them of childhood and it's a very nostalgic film. So which Spider-Man defines your childhood? Like,
यार इट्स टोबी, बिकॉज आई स्टिल रिमेंबर स्पाइडरमैन 1 मैंने डीवीडी पे देखी थी अपने घर पे। स्पाइडरमैन 2 मेरे भाई के बर्थडे में मैं, डैड, मेरा भाई एंड एक और मेरे कजिन ब्रदर देखने गए थे। एंड दैट वाज द पीक ऑफ वाचिंग अ मूवी इन अ हॉल। आई एम नॉट किडिंग, लाइक Spider-Man 2 is the one of the best comic book movies, one of the best action movies, and one of the best character focused movies of all time.
I believe at that time it would have been 2D.
Yeah, 2D. पूरा 2D.
Okay, one last question. When did you become the Spider-Man fan? At what age?
भाई ये जब Spider-Man 2 आई थी, whenever it came, I was a fan. In fact, जब Spider-Man 1 जब DVD पे लॉन्च हुई थी, तो it had Hindi and English. So I had watched the movie in English, then मैं और मेरा भाई just for the fun हिंदी में देखते थे डब में।
Oh, that's cool.
And Spider-Man is a fan favorite and he will always be the fan favorite. उसका, we'll talk about Avengers इसके बाद, but उसका IP is at the same level of Avengers. So yeah, अब Avengers की बात आ गई तो let's talk about Doomsday. Avengers Doomsday.
Oh, yeah. So, according to Alaris,
Hit cook or burn.
भाई देखो, सच बात यह है कि जब एवेंजर्स की म्यूजिक बजती है ना, तो वो कुक ही होता है। लाइक
I agree.
तब वो गूज़बम्प्स लाता ही लाता है। सो इट्स नॉट लाइक, आई थिंक it Marvel is gonna cook on the movie.
And I think
I
that's
think Marvel is gonna cook in the movie. मूवी बैड तो नहीं होगी। जैसे लाइक मुझे फैंटास्टिक 4 भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी थी। थंडरबोल्ट्स वाज फाइन, स्टिल उसका भी एंड आई थॉट दे कुड हैव डन बेटर। तो बट आई थिंक दिस इज एन एवेंजर्स मूवी, इट्स गना कम आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स। आई थिंक दे गना कुक, दे शुड कुक, दे गना कुक। थोड़ा बहुत तो डर लग रहा है, बट दे गना कुक,
I'm just gonna speak on behalf of trailer. I think the trailer cooked.
है ना?
Yeah, it did.
व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट मोमेंट?
So my favorite moment was when Thor jumps or whatever he does with his axe to Doom, and just Doom just like it's
Just flicks him away.
yeah, he just flicks him away. Like he's so powerful. Like only 2 finger will be like
ब्रो
Yeah.
आरडीजे को वो लोग वापस ला रहे हैं, तो एक्टिंग, आई डोंट नो हाउ द लॉजिक इज गोना बी देयर, हाउ दे गोना जस्टिफाई हिम बीइंग डूम, बट भाई लाइक ही इज गोना एक्ट रियली वेल एंड ही विल बी रियली पावरफुल। लाइक वो जो फ्लिक है ना, उसमें तुम्हें पूरे मूवी का कॉन्टेक्स्ट तो समझ में आ जाता है कि दे आर गोना किल हिम, दे आर गोना किल इट, दे आर गोना किल इट, एंड या दैट्स गुड। सो आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर द मूवी।
So Devanshu, what are you excited?
I am the most excited to watch what Loki is doing in the movie, because multiverse का head वही है, like he has all the timelines in his hand, and like मुझे देखना थॉर कैसे रिएक्ट करेगा। बाकी लोग जो उसको विलेन मानते थे, they don't know about his journey, उनको कैसा लगेगा। and मुझे एक ही टीवी सीरीज एक्चुअली मार्वल की पसंद आई है, that is Loki. So and it's very intellectually stimulating too, about time travel and everything. So I'm excited for that movie. I'm really excited for that movie.
Also, there's this whole what do you call that? There's a whole drama going on for the IMAX screening for one of the greatest movies in again and the Avengers, right?
Yeah.
Dune and Doom.
Yeah, so it's gonna be
Dune was Doom.
Dune versus Doom. That's what's ये होने वाला है December 18th को. And I don't know, bro, मैं कौन सी पहले देखूं? Like, what should be the hot take on this? कि like releasing on the same day, तो Avengers या Dune 3? Because भाई Dune 3 में है, this is cinema वाला moment. This is cinema, तो वो है. Dune 1 and 2 is too. Dune बहुत अच्छी है. Like, listen, Algayab.
I think we all will be forced to watch Dune because I heard
नहीं, IMAX नहीं है. They're not getting IMAX because it's not because Avengers is not shot in IMAX. Dune 3 is. And देखो Spider-Man भी नहीं रिलीज हुई है IMAX because Odyssey shot हुई है IMAX में, so it has all the screens. So हाँ यार, ये Marvel को यार लोग कैसे भाई पेल कैसे रहे हैं भाई? Like Disney is getting arm twisted. That's very shocking.
I think Avengers need to start shooting on IMAX.
हाँ यार, मतलब वो उसको कैलिब्रेट ना करो यार, उसको सीधे शूट करो यार उसको. और क्या भाई, ड्यूड, एवेंजर्स सीक्रेट वॉर्स प्लीज, कुछ अगर छोटा मोटा अभी बची शूटिंग, IMAX में शूट कर लो. IMAX is the fact.
Can we just get to our Indian thing? And my favorite, Ramayana and Ranveer.
देखो भाई, इसमें भी हॉट टेक पहले ही. ट्रेलर अच्छा है, मुझे नहीं पता है लोग
I love the trailer, but my brother didn't at all.
Why?
I do not.
ओके, लेट मी जस्ट क्लियर समथिंग. पहली बात तो ये, अगर आपको कंप्लेन है कि विजुअल्स अच्छे नहीं है या उसमें कोई विजुअल्स अच्छे हैं, एक कुंभकर्ण वाला थोड़ा सा स्निपेट है, वो रिफाइंड नहीं है, बाकी विजुअल्स आर ग्रेट. अगर आप एंड जस्ट माय माइंड बोला भाई, ओडिसी अलग मूवी है एंड ओडिसी भी बहुत ग्राउंडेड मूवी है. आप रामायण या महाभारत तो ग्राउंडेड नहीं रख सकते हो. एंड वो उनका तरीका है फिल्म मेकिंग का, ये इंडियन तरीका है. एंड अगर आप हमारे गॉड को शूट कर रहे हो, मूवी बना रहे हो, तो वो फिर ग्राउंडेड नहीं रहेगी. यू कैन नॉट मेक रामायण ग्राउंडेड, ब्रो.
And it's not our fault कि उस जमाने में भी हमारे gods
Yeah.
were scientifically ahead.
I had like the Pushpak Viman and everything, yeah?
Yeah. That Uran Kastu.
The Pushpak Viman. Yeah. Like, and no, that's not the point. So people are complaining कि visual effects अच्छे नहीं है. भाई, आप 720 या 480 पे देख रहे हो तो नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. Watch it in a good screen. Watch it in 4K, bro. You'll see the visuals are amazing. There's this shot of him on the Pushpak Viman, like, of Yash. It is so good. Like, the effects are so good. There's this scene of him just walking and saying Ravan Raj. I think Yash is gonna kill it in the.
I feel everyone is gonna kill it. Be it Ranveer Kapoor or Mr. Dubey. Yeah.
Please, like,
Yeah, please love.
what did you think about Yash? Because she hasn't seen KGF. This is the first time she is seeing Yash in his all macho and like in his mass aura.
I feel he's great for Ravan. But I do have a complaint with Ramayana trailer. That is that they didn't they didn't show us who Hanumanji is going to be.
Hey, everybody knows it's Sunny Deol.
Yeah, but he should have been there on the
I
trailer.
think
I think
they're gonna end the movie after the Sita Haran. Probably they're gonna show him in a post-credit scene or in the end. But it's genius. Like,
I loved it.
they shouldn't. Sunny Paji as Hanumanji is the most perfect casting for any role. भाई, उससे perfect नहीं हो सकता.
या और किसी और का 2.5 किलो का हाथ. What was that?
ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ जब उठता है ना, आदमी
चड्ढा समझाओ इसे, समझाओ.
उठता नहीं, जाता है.
That is
बाबी तू मेरा बेटा है.
चड्ढा समझाओ इसे, समझाओ.
एंड हॉट टेक अगेन, इस मूवी में यश पे चला जाए ज्यादा लाइक सिग्निफिकेंस या PR. I think Ranveer is gonna be great. He's one of the best actors we have. उस पे चला जाए, that's fine. But जब part 2 अगले साल आएगा, किसी का PR नहीं रहेगा. It's only gonna be Sunny Paji, because once the thing is, once anybody sees him in the movie, सब एक्टर वैक्टर ऑरा वोरा खत्म, ब्रो हनुमान जी इन सनी देओल फट जाएंगी स्क्रीन, लोग कुर्सियां फाड़ देंगे, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
So, yeah, I agree.
Just imagine him with a gada
Oh my God. Cooked,
and fighting and hitting,
fired.
like flying and getting the jadi booty for Lakshman.
Oh my God.
And just the way when he'll talk about Shri Ram ji, भाई, like मुझे अभी goosebumps आ रहे हैं.
LR's hot take on Ramayana trailer is that it cooked. It
He definitely could. And everybody who's complaining is nitpicking. Just stop having this inferiority complex कि Indians अच्छी movie नहीं बना सकते हैं. हर movie अलग होती है. Like you cannot compare a comedy movie with an Odyssey. You cannot compare an action movie with a romantic movie. Like,
just give it a try. I think just give it a try.
and Indians को तो खुश होना दे.
मैं तो बहुत बड़ी देशभक्त हूँ.
जाओ पिक्चर देखो, मजे करो
तो
यार.
अगर ड्यून और रामायण साथ में रिलीज हुई थी तो मैं तो रामायण में जाती.
हाँ,
It is what
I will too. Ranbir, Yash,
it's just like made in India. Support India.
agreed.
Support India. Support Indian actors.
Agreed. First guest on the podcast today, and he's the way.
Who has?
Design this place, Shangos, and it's so beautiful.
And he'll be joining us and sharing his thoughts about whatever pop culture we are discussing.
Hi, viewers. We have our first podcast guest, Mr. Karandev Singh, of KD. KD, would you like to introduce yourself to our audience?
Hi, I'm architect Karan Dev Singh, based here in Lucknow and Chandigarh. Firstly, thank you for having me here today. And one of the main reasons is I happen to have designed this place named Changos as well. And yeah, and we're gonna put his handle right down here. So anybody who wants to see his work, his amazing work, do check it out. Okay.
तो केरी आप जब काम करते होंगे तो आपके पास भी काफी हिकअप्स आते होंगे ड्यूरिंग वर्क लाइक ब्लॉकर्स एंड ऑल सो हाउ डू यू आइडेंटिफाई देम एंड व्हाट इज योर स्पाइडी सेंस लाइक कि अब ये होने वाला है गलत यार.
See, I think as a designer or as an architect, our spidey sense is always on. So right now I'm sitting in this place which I've done, and I've noticed around 15 mistakes or 15 things that need to be corrected in this place itself. So that actually never stops. So let's say that is one of the things that as you see a place once as a normal person, and the second as a designer, because your life ka filter changes in everything, because it our life works on observation. Coming to the problem solving and the problems wala part, that is what we do throughout the day. That does not stop. We know that we're gonna tackle 10 problems, and an 11th one is gonna turn up tomorrow morning, and we will have to do that. So that is not something, we're prepared for that.
As I know, you're also really fond of movies. बहुत पिक्चरें देखते हो. Which is your favorite movie of this year? This year, I think it would be The Odyssey, but I haven't seen it yet. I'm waiting to. Which is the one you watched and you really liked? Which is the one that I watched and I really like? I'll have to think. Can you name a few movies that came this year? There's this one movie that you saw that I know you really liked, and its name is Cocktail 2. Come on, guys, that was an utterly bakwas movie, भाई. But तो तुम्हें बकवास क्यों लगी?
कियारा
Because उसमें ना सिर था ना पैर था, और अगर आप प्रीवियस कॉकटेल से कंपेयर कर लो तो कुछ भी नहीं था. मतलब तुम दीपिका के फैन हो. Probably हाँ कह सकते हैं. Probably आप इस जनरेशन के लिए वो फिर भी ठीक हो, लेकिन हाँ, I think हमारे लिए वही वाली कॉकटेल बेटर थी, which had some more fun, it had a better storyline, rather than this one. So, and तुम्हें अगर याद है जब हम लोग साथ में स्कूल में थे, तो एक बार स्कूल भी हम लोग को स्पाइडरमैन की मूवी देखने ले गया था, एंड स्पाइडरमैन की मूवी हम लोगों ने बचपन में देखी है. सो जितने भी तीनों स्पाइडरमैन है, हु इज योर फेवरेट स्पाइडरमैन आउट ऑफ ऑल देम? I think you like Toby, right? Yeah. Toby is the first. Yeah. You're not bachpan of Father. Yeah, I think he's the best. And who is in general your favorite superhero? In general, I think it will be Thor. Thunder.
Okay, I will ask Katie the same question that I asked you. So imagine Spider-Man in India. A, what would be his name? And B, which city he will protect?
Which city will he protect? यार देखो ना, उसको लटकने को चाहिए होगा। देखा, मैंने सेम चीज बोली है।
बॉम्बे।
कोई और अरे बॉम्बे में वहाँ अटक नहीं जाएगा वो खंबे वंबे में। वो लखनऊ में ज्यादा अटकेगा ना, क्योंकि वहाँ ज्यादा वायरिंग वायरिंग है। कहाँ वो लैंड कहाँ करेगा जहाँ पे खड्डे हैं? वो तो देखो, वो फिर भी वो लैंड कहाँ करता है? एक ही बार दो बार तो करता है, बाकी तो हवा में ही रहता है ना। सो दैट ही कैन स्टिल ग्रेट माइंड्स थिंक अलाइक।
What was the name?
नेम देखिए, नेम हमको लग रहा है, अगर आप उसको हिंदी का उसका इंटरप्रेट, एक्चुअली दो तीन आ रहे हैं। मक्कड़ मैन, व्हाट मक्कड़ मैन, मकड़िया मैन, व्हाट अबाउट मक्कड़ मैन, यू नो, मक्कड़ी और जाला बॉय, जाला बॉय,
Favorite Jala boy.
जाला बॉय, यू नो, modernize it a little. Why do you have to put man?
But
Oh, jala boy, मक्कड़ मैन, and
if it has to be related to Peter Parker in India, yeah.
जैसे एक एनिमेटेड वाला, उसका नाम है पवित्र प्रभाकर।
तो आप
पवित्र प्रभाकर, उसका नाम होगा पंकज समथिंग, पंकज नहीं। एक और मुझे सेकंड नेम चाहिए। पहला नाम तो होगा उसका प्रेम,
सल्लू भाई।
प्रेम भाई नहीं, प्रेम समथिंग, प्रेम पूज्य, प्रेम पूज्य नहीं, प्रेम पुण्य, नहीं, या पी से और क्या सरनेम हो?
प्रेम प्रताकर।
नहीं, प्रेम प्रताप।
प्रेम प्रताप, yeah, very impactful.
फिर प्रेम पुजारी कर दो ना। नहीं, फिर वो प्रेम प्रताप कैसे चूज करेगा लोगों को ओवर मैरी जेन? Going back in Doomsday as the villain, what do you think about that? I think it would be interesting to watch, because मैं पहले ही, because I just saw one of the things that if you start watching everything which leads to Avengers Doomsday, it takes approximately, I guess, 300 hours of watch time, and exactly as per the days left, you need around 2 hours 51 minutes of watch time. तो जो कोई कर नहीं पाएगा तो Doomsday ही देख लेते हैं।
That makes sense.
Agreed.
And what are your take on Ramayana trailer?
Ramayana, the one which is
Yeah.
coming in, अभी कल ही आया है ट्रेलर। हाँ, मैंने ट्रेलर देखा नहीं है,
को-
सिर्फ अभी वो उसका वो देखा है,
Teaser.
टीजर। या
तो Coke दिया burnt
डू यू थिंक द मूवी इज गोना वर्क, और तुम्हें लगता है पिटिंग?
was coming up with Gen Z trend.
चल सकती है यार, चल सकती है, बिकॉज जनरली ऐसा सब मसला।
A rapid fire game and whoever will win उसको ये मिलेगा ham. I got inspired by Coffee with Karan. It's gonna get better.
कॉफी विद करण के मोहल्ले वाले हैम्पर वर्जन है।
हाँ, but it is inspired by Spider-Man. So, and the rapid fire is also around Spider-Man. Okay. So each one of you will get like 3 seconds to answer it. So, first question, MJ or Gwen?
एमजे।
Oh, yeah. Then,
ठीक है, इट्स गुड।
yeah. So, Avengers or Spider-Wars?
एवेंजर्स।
Civil or No Way Home?
सिविल वॉर।
Civil War, yeah.
नो वे होम।
No Way Home.
Civil War. Because Black Panther, Spider-Man, everyone is in there.
MCU or Sony?
MCU.
Toby, Andrew or Tom?
Toby as Spider-Man and Tom Holland as Peter Parker.
One MCU character you would never trust with your phone.
Never trust with my phone.
Yeah.
Robert Downey Jr. Iron Man. Same. Black Widow. That is with the brain, no, not with the phone.
If Spider-Man had LinkedIn, what would his headline be?
What was it headline be? Trying to save the city. Trying to save you by swinging from one
Avenger would survive an Indian wedding.
an Indian wedding. Hulk, yeah. वो पेड़ लेगा क्या सब? Because he'll just do the wedding. Hulk होगा तो जूते कौन चुराएगा? वही तो जरूरत ही नहीं। I think Thor is gonna love an Indian wedding. नहीं, Thor is, let's say, उसको है ना वो रिवाज तौर तरीके का एक वो नहीं, पर जब वो पी लेता है ना Thor, तो भाई इसीलिए तो हल्क की, मतलब वो सरवाइव करना ही नहीं ना, वेडिंग सरवाइव करेगी कि नहीं करेगी ये सवाल हो। या okay.
Which Indian villain? Oh, sorry. Which villain would become an Instagram influencer?
Which villain as in terms of किस के villains? कहाँ जनरली MCU में villain कोई भी सुपर हीरो यार? Loki. My answer was also Loki.
And what would he influence?
He'll influence people to just no. He'll make best memes. How to trouble your brother? Yeah.
That's correct.
How to trouble your brother? How to trouble your father? इसी segment है सोचो और इंडिया में भी hit हो जाएगा कि हम धड़ाक.
Which like if a superhero was born in today's world in Gen Z's, so what do you think he will
Today, superpower,
Gen Z specific?
Gen Z specific. How to create a new business. Yeah, that's a good one. That's
Who will get the hamper?
मैं बहुत अच्छा था यार.
Let's see. So the winner is Katie.
अब
It was not scripted at all.
लग तो नहीं रहा है मुझे भी.
खत्म करो पॉडकास्ट फिर और क्या.
So that was all for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. The last roast